Ever struggle with procrastination? In this video, I'll show you exactly how I use Asana to stay on track and avoid procrastinating, so you can apply these same tricks to your own routine. Stick around, because I'll be sharing tips that have completely transformed how I get things done and how you can start using them today. First, let me tell you, you can try Asana for free through the first link below, with some exclusive bonuses that you won't find anywhere else. No credit card required, just sign up and start using it right away. The first thing I do in Asana to avoid procrastination is use the My Tasks feature to break everything down into bite-sized tasks. Instead of looking at one huge project that feels overwhelming, I split it into smaller tasks. Each task feels more manageable and less intimidating. As a result, I don't feel that looming pressure that makes procrastination so easy. Next, I set due dates for everything. Having deadlines in place forces me to make decisions and take action. When you set a due date, you're committing yourself to doing something by a specific time, and Asana keeps track of everything for you. Seeing the upcoming tasks and deadlines in a list makes it harder to put them off. Now, let's talk about the prioritization tool. Asana allows me to mark tasks as important, which is a game changer. When I know something is top priority, it gets my immediate attention. This helps me tackle the most urgent tasks first, and it's a huge part of how I manage procrastination. Without it, I'd likely get distracted by less important tasks. The fourth thing I do is create project templates for tasks I do regularly. This way, I'm not starting from scratch every time. If you have recurring work, having a template means less time spent thinking about what needs to be done and more time actually doing it. It's simple, but incredibly effective. Another thing I rely on is notifications and reminders. Asana keeps me in check by reminding me when tasks are due or when there's a change in the project. Those reminders are a constant nudge to stay on top of things. And let's be real, we all need that extra little push now and then to avoid falling into procrastination. Next, I use Asana's team feature when I'm collaborating. If you're working with others, Asana lets you delegate tasks. This means I don't have to do everything myself. Assigning tasks to others helps me focus on my priorities and prevents the overwhelm that leads to procrastination. It's a huge relief to know that some tasks are in someone else's hands. Now, here's something you may not know. Asana has a Portfolios feature, which allows you to view multiple projects in one place. This means I can track my work across different areas, helping me stay focused without jumping between too many tools. It's an all-in-one dashboard that keeps everything visible, organized, and streamlined. Lastly, I make it a habit to review my tasks daily. It's easy to let things slip if you don't actively track your progress. Each day, I spend 5 minutes reviewing my tasks, crossing off what's done and tweaking what's not. This daily habit keeps me accountable and on track. So, there you have it, how I use Asana to avoid procrastination and get more done. If you're ready to stop procrastinating and start being more productive, use the first link below to sign up for Asana and take advantage of our exclusive extended free trial. Trust me, this tool can make a huge difference in your productivity. Make sure to check out that link and start organizing your tasks today.